My name is Samuel Nguyen. I go to Athens Drive High School, and I'm a sophomore.
Today I'm showcasing the Glue Clock, which basically is meant for diabetics. It'll hook up to their continuous glucose monitor, take their blood sugar levels, boil down the average of each hour into one value, and then it will display it as a color on a ring of LEDs so that you can clearly see, at whatever XYZ hour of the day, I was too high, too low, or just right with my blood sugar.
Increasing the independence of patients and nurses, we'd be able to save hundreds or thousands of lives because we're allowing for these patients to not have to be suctioned manually, and by automating that process, we'd be able to have the nurses take care of other people.